This is the Little Jen Dinosaur Toys as well as book too. And check it out. It comes in this box and you open it up and this book is made of thick cardboard. Perfect. And check it out. So all you have to do is click on these. And you're able to hear the sounds the dinosaurs used to make. How cool is this? And you'll be able to learn about some things about dinosaurs that you may have not known of. So for example, the Stegosaurus may have been slow, really slow, but made up for speed with 17 spiny plates along its back. Its voice echoed across the grassy plains of the Jurassic period. And then all you have to do is click on the sound.
Stegosaurus.
Ooh. And you'll be able to learn how to pronounce the name of the dinosaur as well as hear the sounds that they used to make back in the old days. How neat. And you're going to be receiving all this information for all these dinosaurs. Love it. This will really make a great gift for a little one and great for kids as well as your children, grandchildren, niece, nephew, maybe a neighbor's child too. Definitely recommend this. If you have a little one that loves dinosaurs, this will be a big hit. So check out all the dinosaurs you're going to receive. You're going to get 12 dinosaurs and they measure about 7 inches from head to tail. Here's a couple more. And these look so realistic. Love it. They really did a lot of attention to detail. Beautiful. I love the bright colors. And wow, any kid is gonna love playing with these. I was sent this set from Lil Jen and I think it is fantastic. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Roar!